All right, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk a little bit about reports and reporting. Now, in the past, we have discussed how there are fully customizable reports that you can build for your agency. However, in Genesis Now, we also have some pre-built reports that many agencies have utilized based on the details that are already entered. As you can see, we navigate here to the report screen, scroll down to the default pre-built reports, and you can see some of the reports that are listed here that have already been customized for you. We'll check out premium totals. Okay, just like any other report, we have the possible columns, the report columns, and the filter action. However, you'll notice here that the filters have already been chosen and set up for you with new and renewal business here grouped together, premium showing the sum. Now, let's just say you have a situation where you like the way this report was built, but you might want to change, an element or an aspect of that report. You do have the ability to clone this report by clicking this button right here. Make any changes that you would like to make. You can even change the name of the report and then save. And it will operate the same as your memorized reports. And you will be able to pull this report every day or as often as you like. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.